a surprise. Hey guys, welcome to HillBro. Making some headway with the XX project. Finally got the primary and secondary clutch fixed, and so we're able to at least get the machine rolling again. But we decided we wanted to go with some aftermarket shocks. Of course, we've gone with a little bit of different geometry with the suspension, the A-arms. It's wider, it's longer. So we had to hook up with someone who knew how to tune and adjust for that. We're actually down here in Logan, Utah at ZBroz Racing, and I'm here with Nate Zollinger.
So ZBroz Racing, we've been building snowmobile products for many years. We started racing snowmobiles back in the late 90s, and as soon as the Razor came out, that first 50-inch wide 800 Razor, we got one, and we started actually building some long travel kits for the Razors. I think that was like 2008, 2007 range. And ever since then, we've kind of been hooked on the UTVs, and we've slowly been developing more products. We do a lot of suspension components, so stuff similar to what they've created for this XX project, but most of it is OEM replacement, so it fits the Razor, the new Turbo S, the XX. We have some really good spring kits for all of these different Polaris and Arctic Cat and Can-Am cars. So for this project, we've got our 2.5-inch exit shock, which is both compression and rebound adjustable. So that's what we're going to build up for this project. They're a large bore, aluminum bodied shock, dual or triple rated, just kind of depends on what the application is calling for. We've done these for the XP1000 and for the Can-Am X3, and so this will be fun because we kind of already have all that knowledge about what works on those other long travel cars. And so we're just going to be able to dial in this XX. It'll probably take us a little bit of time, but I think with all the background that we have with suspension geometry and stuff like that, we should be able to hit it out of the park and be able to make this car just fly off those dunes and get some really cool clips and just see what this car's capable of. Being that longer wheelbase and that wider wheelbase and having some extra travel, we should be able to make the car really fly.
So this is actually my first time coming to ZBroz, and I wasn't only impressed on walking into their front showroom. They have all their products displayed. You walk behind this door here, and it's kind of their shop, their R&D spot.
Yeah, this is where all the top secret stuff happens.
So they're letting us in on a little bit of top secret stuff, but it doesn't stop here, you guys. If you go out back, they've got buildings of manufacturing, and it's an impressive setup, an impressive system they've got going on here.
Yeah, we'll show you around, we'll take you out and check out some of the manufacturing area really quick, just so you can see where we actually hand assemble the shocks. Again, like I said, all of it's built right here in Logan, Utah, so we actually machine all the parts, we assemble all the parts, we go out and we test all the parts all over the western United States, and we have dealers all over the country and all over the world. So I was actually talking to a UTV dealer in Bolivia today, so I mean, we're trying to get it all over the world and spread the love for UTVs and snowmobiles wherever there is snow. All of our shocks, we hand assemble them, but we vacuum fill everything, so that's what these machines are on the wall. We have a port that's built into the shock, so what we're able to do is pull a vacuum on the shock and drain all the air out of it before we actually fill it with oil. It's much faster than hand bleeding. You can still get a great bleed when you hand bleed a shock, kind of the old-fashioned way like we do at the track and when we're testing, but this just speeds up our manufacturing process, and it just really helps to make sure that every time we build a shock, it's going to be perfect before it goes out the door. So some of our assemblers have some assemblies here going together. I believe these are actually a set of Can-Am X3 shocks that they're putting together.
So it's really exciting to have come to ZBroz and see what they've got, and super exciting stuff, you guys. I'm super excited to work with ZBroz Racing on our XX project. So stay tuned for more videos.